Welcome to Maharaja Agrasen Public School. Today we will learn chapter number 2 GUI Operating System Desktop Management. Children, in the previous class you were introduced with Windows 7 and the various operations that you can perform on the desktop of Windows 7. You have learned that Windows 7 is graphical user interface operating system that has a graphical environment consisting of various buttons and icons. An operating system is an interface or link between the hardware and the user. It makes our PC alive and helps to run different applications. It coordinates and manages the activities of a computer just like the principal of a school manages all the activities running in a school. In this chapter we are going to explore more features of Windows 7. Features of Windows 7. It is the first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Features of Windows 7. Attractive, interactive and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes, gadgets, thumbnail, previews, etc. The use of graphics makes it quite interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Second number, searching made easier. Using Windows 7 we can quickly search any file or folder in our computer. Third one, flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application oriented. Unlike the previous versions of Windows, we can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. Windows supports multitasking. How? Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. For example, we can type letters in MS Word while enjoying listening to music using the Windows Media Player. Jump list. What is the use of jump list? Using jump list to quickly open programs and menu items. This is a new feature that takes you straight to the documents, pictures, songs or websites you have recently visited. Jump lists can be found on the application icons that appear on the taskbar when an application is running or on the start menu in the recently opened program section. For example, the jump list for Internet Explorer shows the recently opened websites. To open a jump list, right click on a program icon on the Windows 7 taskbar. Cascading windows. This option is displayed when you right click the taskbar. The cascading windows option arranges all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen to the bottom right in layers. आपको दिख रहा है जितनी भी विंडो ओपन है वो आपको cascading windows में दिख रही है, बहुत सारी विंडोज ओपन है. The taskbar. The taskbar can be seen at the bottom of the screen as a long horizontal bar. It has the start button on its left side and the notification area on the right side. The middle section of the taskbar is known as the quick launch bar. The taskbar can be dragged to any of the four sides of the desktop. Whenever we run a program, its button is automatically placed on the taskbar. We can activate the application window by clicking on its taskbar button. Clicking the button again will minimize the application window. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade and appears to be pushed in. The Windows taskbar provides the easiest method to switch between active programs. The taskbar is an element of an operating system located at the bottom of the screen. It allows you to locate and launch programs through Start and the Start menu or view any program that's currently open. On the right side of the taskbar is the notification area that allows you to check the date and time items running in the background. button. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the Start button, a menu displaying the major options appears. This menu is known as the Start menu. The options present in the Start menu provide access to the main programs on the computer. Notification area. This area contains the clock and other program icons which provide the status and notification about the programs running on the computer. Example, the antivirus program, software updates, sound, battery status, date and time, etc. Now, quick launch bar. In the main image above, take a look at the three big icons to the right of the round Start button. These are quick launch icons, meaning you can quickly launch any of the programs you see there. Now, customizing the taskbar. How can we customize the taskbar? So, let us learn. Right click on the taskbar and select the properties option. The taskbar and Start menu properties dialog box appears, जो आप देख सकते हो फिगर में. You will notice that by default the taskbar tab is open. In the taskbar appearance section, click on the lock the taskbar checkbox. आपको ये फिगर में देखने को मिलेगा lock the taskbar checkbox. This will lock the position of the taskbar and will not allow it to move to any other place. किसी भी प्लेस पे वो टास्क बार मूव नहीं होगा. क्लिक ऑन द ऑटो हाइड द टास्क बार चेक बॉक्स. दिस ऑप्शन मेक्स द टास्क बार टू हाइड ऑटोमेटिकली व्हेन इट इज़ नॉट इन यूज. अगर हम टास्क बार का यूज़ नहीं करते ना, तभी वो टास्क बार हाइड हो जाएगा. कब? जब हम ऑटो हाइड द टास्क बार ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे. क्लिक ऑन द यूज स्मॉल आइकॉन चेक बॉक्स. दिस ऑप्शन रिड्यूसेस द साइज ऑफ द टास्क बार. Specify the location of the taskbar by choosing any desired option from the drop-down menu of taskbar location on screen. आपको taskbar कहाँ पे रखना है? मोस्टली तो हम नीचे ही रखते हैं, बॉटम ऑफ द स्क्रीन, पर इसमें आप उसका पोजीशन भी कस्टमाइज कर सकते हो. Specify how icons should be displayed on the taskbar by choosing any desired option from the drop-down menu of taskbar buttons. You can choose always combine, hide labels, combine when taskbar is full, and never combine. Icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders and programs. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface. Let us learn about some commonly used icons. Computer gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on a computer system. When you double click on any drive icon, it displays the files and folders contained in the drive. माई कंप्यूटर का आइकॉन इस फिगर में नहीं है, पर ये आपने जनरली देखा होगा डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर. नाउ शॉर्टकट आइकॉन्स. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. आप देख सकते हो Microsoft Office Word में आपको लोअर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे एक एरो दिख रहा है, तो वो क्या है? शॉर्टकट आइकॉन्स. डॉक्यूमेंट आइकॉन्स. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. आपको ये फाइल दिख रही है, वहाँ पर साइड में फाइल का भी आइकॉन है. वैसे ही फोल्डर्स का भी उसके बाजू में एक आइकॉन है. इस फिगर में नहीं है, पर इम्पोर्टेंट आइकॉन है, वो है रिसाइकल बीन. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files folders. The deleted files folders can be restored to their original locations from the recycle bin. Customizing the desktop. Windows 7 is quite flexible as it provides many options to change the settings of desktop according to your requirement. Let us try. Right click on the blank area of the desktop and select which option? Select personalize option. The personalization window appears. Click on the window color option located at the bottom of the window. Select any color to change the color of window borders. Select the enable transparency option. As a result, the Windows glass border, start menu and taskbar becomes transparent. Set the color intensity option. You can also edit your color intensity. Now see this button, change date and time. How can you change your date and time? Click on the change date and time button. The date and time settings dialog box will appear. Select the current day in the displayed calendar. You can change the month using the forward backward buttons present on the calendar. To change time, to change the hour, select the hour in the text box located below the clock. You can also make use of the spin arrows to increase or decrease the value as required. Similarly, you can change the minutes and seconds. Click OK. The date and time of the system will change accordingly. ये जो मैंने आपको इससे पहले बताया ये वही है. क्लिक इन द टाइम फील्ड एंड एंटर अ न्यू टाइम. अगर आपको उसका टाइम चेंज करना है, अगर आपको कैलेंडर में से डेट पिक करनी है तो क्लिक अ न्यू डेट इन द कैलेंडर टू सेट द डेट. सेटिंग वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्पीकर. क्लिक हार्डवेयर एंड साउंड. क्लिक साउंड. Click speakers and then click properties at the bottom right of the sound dialog. In the speakers properties dialog box, click the labels tab and then drag the slider under retag HD audio output to adjust output sound volume. आप देख सकते हो ये है आपका स्पीकर जिसको यहाँ से आप ड्रैग करके उसका वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज कर सकते हो. यूज ऑफ शॉर्टकट मेनू. When you right click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears, which is called context menu. ये आप देख सकते हो शॉर्टकट मेनू डिस्प्लेइंग पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन, जहाँ पे आप प्रॉपर्टीज को भी देख सकते हो. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right-clicking on the different areas and objects will display different sets of commands in the context menu. The context menu is also called shortcut menu. You will find the properties option at the bottom of the list. Bottom of the list आपको दिख गया properties menu. Thank you children.